Hamilton Public Health is pumping the brakes on the possibility of the region reverting back to stage 2. A detailed report was released last week showing data that helped place more restrictions on some of Ontario's hotspots. And the data says Hamilton is on the cusp of meeting that criteria. Jason Gaidola has more.
York Region was the latest jurisdiction to shut down their indoor dining, theaters and gyms, joining Toronto, Peel and Ottawa. But Hamilton Public Health believes those added restrictions are unlikely to happen here anytime soon.
I don't yet see that as being kind of a necessity for Hamilton.
On Thursday, a team of medical experts released data supporting the province's new restrictions and details how those regions in stage 2 are high transmission zones, where there's more than 25 new cases per week per 100,000 residents. Other regions like Halton and Hamilton have surpassed that threshold. Dr. Bart Harvey says a bulk of Hamilton's cases are tied to Spinco on James Street, where there are 74 cases.
It varies because we have our kind of cases go up and down. Those 74 individuals are going to have a big impact on what that 25 per 100,000 per week will be for Hamilton.
The Ministry of Health tells CHCH News that the province and experts continues to review trends from a range of criteria consisting of virus spread and containment, health system capacities, testing capacity, and consultation with local authorities. On top of Spinco, the city of Hamilton is dealing with 8 other outbreaks across schools, businesses, and retirement homes. Over in Halton, there are 5 outbreaks, all of them in long-term care and retirement facilities, like the village of Tansley Woods, where there are 29 positive cases and 3 deaths. Friday, Premier Doug Ford asked Halton residents to follow guidelines to refrain from going back into stage 2. As some regions in Ontario have gone back to a stage 2, new cases continue to pop up in Niagara, Halton, and right here in Hamilton. Today, we're learning of a new case here at Costco in Ancaster. CHCH News obtained a letter sent to Costco employees dated October 10th, saying they've been informed of a positive COVID-19 test or an employee presumed by a healthcare provider to have COVID-19. And we are committed to informing you as soon as we become aware of these cases. The letter added that the employee tested positive on October 10th and their last shift was October 3rd. Costco says they've contacted a local health authority.
They have employees that it looks like their source of infection would have been outside of employment, and their contacts, I think, would also be outside of employment.
Now, Dr. Bart Harvey says while he doesn't believe a modified stage 2 will come to Hamilton anytime soon, he says to expect new recommendations regarding gatherings or classes in fitness centers.